Alright guys, welcome back to SOP. Here we're gonna do some actual cutting with the Saker saw. So well, let's just get to it. So yeah, I'd say it does a pretty good job. One more we'll try and do. This one right over here. Now this battery is only 1.5 amp. So runtime might not be that long, but I'm sure there's other batteries you can use to make it last a little bit longer. Yeah, that's about 4.5 inches there. So yeah, this little saw did a really good job. You're not going to do anything much bigger than 4 inches, unless of course you can sit there and go around it. But it's possible to, I think it's well worth the price. As a prepper, it would be a handy item to have in your little toolbox. Especially for getting small brush set up for, small cook stoves, campfires, to be able to cook food, or kindling to, keep warm in the wintertime. So, again, link will be in the description below for it. I do highly recommend it. Mine seemed to work without an issue. Haven't had to adjust tension or anything. This is all still factory out of the box. Now that it's been broke in a little bit, it seems to run pretty good. Take my battery out real quick just to be on the safe side here. Oh, she's a little warm. But now we have our proper tension down here too. Now that she's broke in a little bit. Remember how I said that might be an issue? But I haven't touched it. Works really good. I just oiled it to make sure it, didn't get all gunked up. So yeah, short little video. Part 2 of the Saker saw. Do I recommend it? Yes. Is there room for improvement? Minor things. Like I said, a little teeth up in here so it can grab to the log and you can go down rather than trying to rely on rubbing on plastic. Other than that, I think it's great. So that's it for SOP. Catch me next time. Peace.